Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how you can use multiple AI chatbots all at once. In this world of AI, there are so many chatbots on the market, it can be hard to keep up with what chatbot you should use. Most of you are probably using ChatGPT, but I can tell you from experience that there are other chatbots on the market that may offer you a more robust experience than ChatGPT. Most AI tools are up to date and have current databases, but AI isn't constant flux, meaning that chatbots don't all work the same. Sometimes features are updated in chatbots, and chatbots have the ability to do some things better than others. For example, Meta AI is a good tool to generate images and video, whereas ChatGPT is a general all-purpose chatbot that you would use in order to get the information that you want. Google Gemini is more geared towards mathematics, and Microsoft Copilot is just the better secure chatbot all around. And then there's Perplexity, which does a good search on the internet and can be sometimes used as a good replacement for Google. There are others like Claude and Jasper that you might want to use, but one of the challenges with chatbots is that there is a fee for most of the chatbots out there. The mainstream chatbots are free, but some of those ones that have a subscription, you may want to try out before paying for the subscription. So the purpose of this video is to help you utilize every chatbot or most chatbots for free, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you test them out first to find out which one is going to work for you. Now, before we get started, be sure if you like this video to comment, like, and share it with your friends that may be non-techie but want to improve their technology life. Now, the first website that we're going to deal with is a website called Chatbot.app. And we're going to go to the Chatbot.app website, which can be found at Chatbot.app.ai or Chatbot.ai. One of the things that I need to warn you about some of these websites is that there is a ton of fleeceware on the internet, meaning that everybody has designed some AI chatbot in order to get your money. Some of these are legitimate sites, others are bogus. So make sure that you verify. You can contact me, or make sure that you read the manufacturer and the comments to ensure you're not getting fleeced from a fleeceware app. So back to Chatbot.app, which is one of the utilities that you can use in order to explore some of the things that you can do with AI. Give me a second here. Let me see if I can magnify this a little so that you can see. And there we have a better view of Chatbot.app. Now, with these tools that I am recommending, some of the best features of these apps is the ability to be able to use different models of the chatbots on the market. Now, Chatbot.app allows you to utilize OpenAI GPT-4o Mini. There's GPT 4.0. Also, there's Claude, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Superbot, which I've never heard of, and then there's AI Filter. Now, keep in mind, there are a ton of chatbots out there, and you want to use utilities that allow you to utilize multiple chatbots, because sometimes you may gravitate to a different chatbot than what most people are using, which again is ChatGPT. Going back to the chatbot screen, you can enter in it. The layout is just like ChatGPT, and all of them will have a similar layout, but you can click on Explore Tools, which will allow you to use Claude, DeepSeek, Google Gemini. You can even do image generation, music generation. There's all the ChatGPT stuff, but as you can see, there are a multitude of tools that you can use within the Chatbot.app and work with it. You also have a menu at the top where you can choose AI, all the popular AI models. You can go with models that are geared towards writing. You can go with models that are geared for education, lifestyle, and programming, which is great. Some of the limitations in the AI world is entering those prompts and having to copy and paste those prompts to different chatbots. So a tool like Chatbot.app allows you to go through and test out your chatbot while making sure that you can find out what is going to be the best chatbot for you, and it allows you to create a multitude of tools or results depending on what you want to do. Next on the list is Note.gpt. I keep looking because I got dual monitors to stare at, but there you go. One of the good things about Note.chatgpt is that you can do different searches. So you can do a summary of a YouTube channel by putting in the URL, PDFs, different web links, and more. But the thing that we want to concentrate on today for NoteGPT.io is the AI chat interface, because again, we're focusing on using different chatbots all at once. From what you want to, from the chatbots, you only have the options for DeepSeek, GPT, Claude, and then there's some more that are coming soon, such as more GPTs, Gemini Pro, and then that's about it. Now, one of the features that NoteGPT offers is the ability to use the Deep Think option, which many chatbots are starting to incorporate. And DeepSeek is important because if you want to do deep research on the internet, then you can do your search. Now, one of the things that I noticed that NoteGPT allows you to do, if you're in the AI chat option, you can attach images like you normally would. And of course, there's the DeepSeek, and you can switch from all of your chatbot models. Now, the other thing that Note.gpt offers you is the AI PDF. You can also go over here to AI presentation. There's AI math, AI flashcards, AI book library, and then of course you can keep your notes in there as well. And NoteGPT allows you to add a plugin to Google Chrome, which makes it a little bit more integrated, but for me, if you go to the website, that's a good enough tool to use. Now, one of my favorite tools to use as far as using multiple AIs at once would be Poe.com. That took a second, right? But anyway, Poe.com is a little bit more warm and fuzzy interface. You can go choose what you are going to use as far as a chatbot. You can click on Gemini. It will give you the Gemini experience. If we go back to the main Poe screen, you can go to, there's Gemini, there's Claude, there's O3.ai, and it breaks it down by the official bots on the market. So if you go to official bots, you can scroll through and see some of the quote unquote official bots like Gemini, GPT, DeepSeek, there's Llama Scout, there's Llama Maverick, Grok, Claude, there's more DeepSeek, more Llama. So as you can see, it'll give you multiple official chatbots that you can use. But it also, what I love about Poe, it breaks down by reasoning bots. So if you want to do bots that reason, you've got access to Perplexity, there's more Gemini, there's O3, more versions of Perplexity and DeepSeek. But as you can see, it's got different models that breaks it down on what you want to do. Now there's different chatbot apps that will allow you to utilize specific GPTs like Typify, Voice Studio, TikTok AI, or TalkTalk AI, sorry. But as you can see, it's a pretty robust list of different bots that you can use in order to take advantage of AI. Again, one of the challenges of AI is that every chatbot is not equal. Tools like Poe Chat or AI Chat with NoteChat and Chatbot.app allow you to take advantage of all of the large language models out there. Now, last but not least, one of the more popular tools that you can use to utilize chatbots all at once would be ChatHub. Now, one of the tricky things about ChatHub is the website. The URL is chathub.gg. And I will warn you, if you misspell this large language model, it will take you to an inappropriate website or multiple ones. So beware and go to chathub.gg. Now, if you use chathub.gg, you want to make sure that you turn on the feature that allows you to use the all-in-one feature for all the chatbots. You can start off with a single screen and choose your favorite chatbot from ChatGPT, O2, O3, there's Claude, there's Gemini, there's Gemma, DeepSeek, Grok, Meta with all its llamas, Mistral AI, Perplexity, there's Alibaba, Command A or Cohere, Dual Bio. There's a ton of them out there. Microsoft, and then of course Amazon.com. But one of the best things I love about ChatHub is the fact that if you click on multiple chatbots, you can get 6 chatbots at once. And when you put in your AI prompt, not only will it will show you either in one chatbot what the results are, or you can go to the 6 chatbots and it will show you in each window the results for each chatbot. Now, the good thing about ChatHub is that you can do a web search, which is not included in all of these tools. You can tell it to generate images. You can also tell it that you want to upload files to have it analyze or scan like you would any other chatbot out there. Now, the bad news about some of these chatbots is the fact that these tools offer you a limit as far as being able to generate content. And if you want to utilize these tools in order to use all the chatbots at once, you will have to pay a monthly or yearly fee to utilize these tools. But if you want to play around with multiple AI chatbots all at once, I would highly recommend for you to use these 4, if not all of these chatbots, so that you get a more robust experience from your AI experience. Because again, ChatGPT is great, but it is not always accurate, and these tools are the best ways that you can find out. Now, one of the last things that I need to mention that wasn't included in any of these lists is Microsoft Copilot. Now, ChatHub has a similar version of Copilot, but ultimately, if you want to use Copilot, because of the security that Microsoft has, you have to utilize Copilot by actually going to the copilot.microsoft.com website. So hopefully that gives you some information to help you use multiple chatbots at once. If you've got comments or questions about utilizing these tools, please leave them in the comment section. Love to hear from you and help you out as far as using multiple chatbots and making sure that you can get the most from your AI experience. You can't turn a blind eye to AI, and one, if not all of these tools can help open up you to a whole new world of experience and ideas using AI. Speaking of which, purpose of these videos is to open you all up to a whole new world of ideas and experiences using technology. I love technology, and I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, and thanks for watching.